Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am making the famous Jamaican national dish ackee and saltfish, and I will also be showing you guys how to make the boiled dumpling because someone requested that as well. So stay tuned, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and join the family. So this is the saltfish that I'll be using, or codfish, whichever one you call it, and I got this at the Hispanic store, and this is the Linstead Market Ackee. This is actually the best one that I've tasted since I'm living here, and I'm gonna do some boiled bananas as well and some dasheen. So for my saltfish, I am gonna allow my water to come to a vigorous boil, and then I'm gonna add that and allow it to cook, and you don't need to add any salt, hence the name saltfish. So I am going to move on to kneading my flour. So for my flour, I only use cornmeal with my flour because I don't like the straight flour dumpling, if you know what I mean. So I added 2 cups of flour and 1 cup of cornmeal, and then I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt to that. Then I am going to gradually add my water until the dough is formed into a soft but dense dough. So after my dough is formed, I just go ahead and section them into the size that I want, and then I just lightly dust it with some flour until I'm ready to shape them and put them in the pot. So for my dumplings, I just pinch from the outside and tuck in, pinch and tuck until it forms the shape that I am looking for, and this is simply how I make it. I mean, everybody make their dumpling different, but for the person who asked me to do this video, I'm just showing you guys how I make it. This is not the Asian dumplings or anything, this is Jamaican dumplings, okay? So now for my green bananas, what you see me doing here is I'm just adding some oil to my knife and my hands so that the banana don't leave any stain. So I am just going to core the banana and then use my fingers to peel it, and there's two different ways to core it and I'm going to show you guys, as well as some people just core it and put it in the boil it in the skin, but that's not how I am doing it today. So the first thing I add to my water is my dumplings because I want the cornmeal to cook properly. So I allow them, I give them a head start, and then I'm gonna add my bananas like 5 minutes later. Here I am peeling my Dasheen that I got in the Asian store, and the outside of this is really itchy if it touches your skin, so you have to be careful when you're peeling this as well. So even though on the tin it says that the ackee is already boiled, I still give them like a 2 minutes boil in the water, and my saltfish is already cooked, so I am just picking them right now, like sectioning them. And this is a boneless saltfish, so there's not really much work in this. So for my ackee and saltfish, I'm gonna be using some scallion, onions, and some Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm also gonna use these red bell peppers just to beautify my dish. So I am just gonna saute my scallion and onions and peppers just for a little bit until the onions become translucent, and then I am going to add my saltfish and then my ackee, and the only thing I'm going to add in this afterwards is some black pepper. So there you have it, guys, my ackee and saltfish, my favorite dish, my Jamaican national dish. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.